My name's Craig Patterson. I'm the Operations Manager here at Unique Collision. Unique Collision is an automotive collision repair business, so majority of our work is from people having car accidents. Unique Collision is relatively a new company that was formed from a long-term existing company in Oakley, and we started it up roughly 12 months ago. Damon and Christian are part owners in this business, and their families had a long tradition in this area. Their father had a panel shop for more than 20 years, and we managed to merge together to start up Unique Collision. They're a key part of this business. We specialise in high-end prestige cars, but we also will look after anyone out in the public. We had an elderly gentleman come in with just a Holden Astra that didn't have insurance on it, and he had a tree branch come down on his car and cause some damage. And he's a local, and we actually helped him out to keep the cost reasonable to keep his car on the road. So little things like that to be able to put something back and help someone out is a small thing for us, but mean a lot to that gentleman. Christian, who's a part owner in this business, is also our senior painter, which would be very rare in a shop of this size and this calibre. And he has a vested interest in the product he produces to hand the car back to the customer.
So we're actually using a low-bake alpha oven that is currently equipped with waterborne technology, which is the state-of-the-art technology on the market at the moment. The Seekers do offer comprehensive and innovative training. So with the prestige cars that we work on, we aim to exceed our customers' expectations.
What we love about our customers is our whole client base is from word of mouth and recommendations. A lot of our customers are quite fastidious about their cars, which in turn can put pressure on us to produce a high quality outcome, but that's what we thrive on. They keep coming back and we keep getting more recommendations. We're here for the customers, and whatever we have to do to look after and service our customers, we're willing to do. I think one of the best service call-outs we did was we had a customer out past Bacchus Marsh. Their car got damaged and glass was broken, they couldn't drive their car. We delivered a replacement car out to them at 7 o'clock on a Sunday night, which is about an hour and a half drive from here. There's nothing too small. Whatever we've got to do, we will do it.